As you know, we are the front line of this virus. We are the gateway. So make sure that our people are protected using available material that you can see the team here stitching together. Now, once we finish doing that, we'll also see how we can meet the needs of our environment, of our people around us in Embakasi. So we can also contribute to the general population's safety with regard to providing these masks. Yeah, first of all, this material would otherwise been disposed of. So instead of disposing of this material, we reuse it for purposes of safety of not just our staff, but also population around us. Secondly, we're also making these people busy because ordinarily they would have been on leave, actually, because we are not now operating. But now they are doing something that is important, not just for KQ, but also for the community around us. We start with us, of course, because we are a lot of us. There's about 4,000 of us, so we need to make sure each one of us has at least 2, if not more, so that they can be able to, because they are reusable. These are reusable, they're not disposable. Again, that's another thing that makes it sustainable, because otherwise most of these other masks, you use once or twice and dispose. These ones are reusable. So once we are able to satisfy the demand within us, within Kenya Airways, then we start producing also first of all, for our local community here in Embakasi, and then for the wider public. And this innovation here, because it is innovation, just calls to what we're going to be doing in the future. Look for opportunities that COVID-19 has presented to us, not just the challenges, to see how we can be agile enough to respond to the needs of our customers and the community at large.
My department currently, we are currently stitching and producing the face masks as part of our initiative towards curbing the COVID-19. We realize that these are products that are required and they are going to be used. And we have employees in Kenya Airways and staff that really need to use the mask on a daily basis. As we carry out our daily tasks, our daily duties, we need masks to protect us against this virus and to protect our friends and our colleagues against this virus. So as a pastry shop and part of the technical workshop, we thought it is wise to produce masks because we have the material, we have the skills, we have the equipments, and we have the space that we can do that because as at now, there is very low season of flying, so masks will come in very handy to have our staff coming back to work and find that there is a safety gear for them. Currently, we are going to start actually with the internal use. I'm going to start with the technical department to ensure that all the technical staff have enough masks for themselves. Thereafter, I'm going to roll it out to the whole of Kenya Airways staff, both at base, at the airport, and outstations, so that they have enough masks for themselves and for their colleagues. And thereafter, we are going to roll out to our other entities, like the Precision Air. We are going to have them getting masks from here. We are going to have Jumbo Jet getting masks from here, and any other aviation interested institution that want to have masks from here, they will get masks from here. Thereafter, we are going to have mass production of these masks because it's not going to be just a 1 day or 2 days item that you need to use. You will need to use this mask daily now that we have this virus with us here. So we'll have mass production of these masks so that we can even supply to other government and institutional entities.